Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Senate President Ahmed Lawan has enjoined members of the newly confirmed board of the Niger Delta Development Commission (NDDC) to immediately get to work upon their inauguration by President Muhammadu Buhari. Senator Lawan made the appeal during the recent Senate confirmation of 13 members of the NDDC governing board nominated by the President.
President Muhammadu Buhari on the 23rd of November 2022 nominated Loretta Onochie and 14 others as members of the NDDC governing board. After screening 13 of the nominees, their appointments were recently confirmed by the Senate. Vice Chairman of Senate Committee on Niger Delta, Senator Bulus Amos, in a report submitted during plenary, said the confirmation of the nominees came after a thorough assessment of their eligibility to serve on the board of the NDDC.
The committee noted that the nominees possess the requisite educational qualifications, vast experience, integrity, leadership qualities, and competence that will have a profound positive impact on the speedy development of the Niger Delta region. The committee therefore considered the nominees fit and proper person to serve on the governing board of the Niger Delta Development Commission.
In August 2019, President Buhari reconstituted the NDDC board with Pius Udubu as its chairman, but later disbanded it and ordered a forensic audit of the commission's activities from its inception in 2001 to August 2019. For members of the upper chamber of the National Assembly, the recent appointment of a substantive board comes with a huge relief. Senate President Ahmed Lawan had urged members of the new NDDC governing board to brace up for the challenge of rebuilding the Niger Delta region without any further delay.
This confirmed chairman and members should hit the ground running. So much time has been lost. They have a lot of work to do because NDDC itself, like we all know, is an interventionist institution created by government in 2000 to ensure that there is peace and stability and that there is fairness in the region.
Of the 15 nominees, the appointments of Dr. Pius Udubu and Engineer Anthony Okene, representing Edo and Imo states, were not confirmed due to what the Senate attributed to their failure to appear before its screening committee. In their confirmation, the senators held that Dr. Samuel Ogboku of Bayelsa State would serve as managing director of the NDDC for 2 years to complete the unexpired term of his predecessor in office. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference. Inside the Niger Delta,